Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the journey of Narayana Murthy, okay, as a common man to the founder of Infosys guys, okay, yes. So let us start. So basically, Narayana Murthy was born in Kollur district in Mysore, kingdom of Mysore guys. So it is now called as Karnataka. You can just pronounce the place name, okay, yes, okay. So he does not belong to a rich family guys, he belongs to a poor family, and his father was a teacher at an high school guys, okay, yes. So his father was an high school teacher. So from here you can say that his father is not having any kind of business. Hence, if Narayana Murthy establishes a company or something, he belongs to the first generation entrepreneur, right? Yes, okay. Since those days, early days, he dreamt of pursuing engineering in IIT. So basically everyone's dream is that, right? Yes. So even when you are studying in your inter or sometime you thought of it, right? Yes. So in the same way Narayana Murthy also thought of it, okay. He graduated from National Institute of Engineering, University of Mysore, with a bachelor degree in electrical engineering. So he pursued electrical engineering, okay, and later he did masters from IIT Kharagpur guys, okay. He began working for Indian Institute of Management at Ahmedabad as a chief system programmer, and his task included working on India's first time sharing computer system. Okay, so he started working and he took a job also, okay, yes. So after some years, around 1970s, he went to start his first entrepreneur venture guys. So the company name is nothing but Softronics. I think it's not available currently, it has been closed, okay, yes. So he started it as a software consultancy company, okay. So he started it, okay. So after about 1.5 years, okay, so the company sadly taken down. They were forced to shut down it was down due to there were no proper clients for that particular company guys, okay, yes. So till here he got a step down, right? So yes, so he started a company but it ended up in a bad situation, right? Yes. So later again he joined Patni Computer Systems in Pune as a general manager. So he joined as a general manager in Patna, in Pune, somewhere. Okay, yes. So till here, his life journey was normal. Okay, so here he got married, guys. Okay, yes. So after marriage, he again thought of starting a company, and this is the start of Infosys. Okay, see, he was a very passionate about creating good quality softwares, but the problem was that he did not have money. So basically to start a company we need some crores of money guys, so that is the reason why he did not have the money. So he was stuck whenever he want to start, okay. So as he is married now, his wife was ready, okay. So his wife decided to help him out, okay, and she gave him money, okay, yes. So now Narayana Murthy called out is six of his friends or colleagues, you can say, okay. On January 1981, he met his six of his friends. Those are nothing but the software engineer friends, guys. Okay, okay. So he had a discussion with them, and after 6 months, he officially registered the Infosys name as his company on 2nd July 1981, guys. Okay. So after then, around after 6 months, I think 6 or 7 months, he got his first client guys, and it is from US in 1983, okay. It's around 2 years after, okay, yes, after 2 years of the giving the name of the company, okay, yes. So he, for this particular client, the whole company or they moved to Bangalore, okay, okay. So basically slowly everything has started to grow, okay. So due to unfortunately and unknown events, this is a joint venture. So basically this was started by 6 members, right? Yes. So this is a joint venture in the short time of till 1989. So they started facing some issues, like the clients are not satisfied. Sometimes they are not getting clients. In that way, there are some small problems. Okay. Yes. So at some point, Narayana Murthy also informed others that, so if you want just money, you can leave, and I will be continuing the company. There is no issue for me. So in that way also there are multiple conversations. Okay. Yes. And I think none of them left, and everything as started moving slowly back to the normal, and nowadays it's one of the most popular company, if you ask, right? Yes. So in this way, so basically he started one company and it did not went in the right way, so he left it and he took some job, and again he came to the normal position and he got married, and luckily his wife Sudhamurthy has supported him, okay, supported him, and now, and he started the company with along with his 6 friends, and even in between he faced multiple issues, and even after that he continued it, and now it's one of the most popular company all over the world, right? Yes. So one of the most popular statement that Narayana Murthy always says is, if you want to create a great company, we should be optimistic, we should be always positive, guys, okay? Yes. So we should never be negative that we are going to lose everything, it's all going in a bad way. It should be always positive, right? Yes. Okay. Similarly, he got 2 awards, that is nothing but Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri in 2008 and 2000 year. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So if any question is asked, write an example about first generation entrepreneur, or if they ask as a direct LAQ for 15 marks about first generation entrepreneur, give an example, guys, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about the women entrepreneurs, guys, okay, and we'll be discussing what are the problems or challenges that they face, okay? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.